Hi guys, in this video we will show you our flat, which costs 2,200 euros for a month in Valencia. You will be surprised about the quality of the flat here. So it's me, welcome home. Let's open the door. It's very teeny and there is no lift. So if you have a huge luggage, it's will be a problem. Hi.
Hello, hi, welcome to our Airbnb in Valencia.
Thanks.
This is our first time booking Airbnb, and this is a short tour. So this is the living room, which is kind of okay. You have a tiny TV, table, which is actually falling apart. Like, you gotta be very careful with it.
So
yeah, it's you gotta be very particular with the table. This chair is falling apart. There is like this thing that kind of sticks out, and Natasha almost fell first day. And the view,
nice view.
Nice view of
birds.
birds excrement,
I
you know,
hope
to be yeah, the beautiful view of a house across. And on this side there is a kitchen.
Oh, it's teeny.
It's tiny, yes, but there is a washing machine and another view of another building. Very beautiful.
Oh, it's looking not very clean. Right, so
everything was extremely dirty when we came here. Not a lot of good appliances and utensils. Let's go. Let's check the bedroom.
There's a fridge.
Yeah, there's a fridge.
Okay.
Here is
and Seriously, wasn't this flat clean when we came?
It was not clean. It was not clean. It was everything was sticky. You couldn't walk barefoot because you would stick to the floor. We had to call in emergency cleanup crew, which came next day. But yeah, this is the bedroom. This stuff, I forgot what it's called in English, but it broke like couple of weeks later. Yeah, like the thing that comes down. And here, like this one, another view of beautiful building.
But nice room.
Yeah, the room is fine. The room is fine.
It's cute.
Bathroom.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Bathroom is kind of okay, but it was clogged. I had to clean it. The usual thing with the Airbnbs. But you kind of have everything, and it's not small. There's a bidet. It's kind of okay. And this is the second bedroom that we use basically for storage. And it's okay, I guess, as a storage room, but everything here is kind of falling apart. As you can see, you like this thing right here.
So it's a hole here.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Fine.
This falls apart. Falls out in the kitchen, in bathroom as well. Like when you pull out the shelves, they just they don't work properly. Yeah, it's this particular Airbnb was not the best. You know, it's as you can imagine from my sarcastic tone, but it's one of the better ones on Airbnb.
It was the cheapest one, right?
Yes, it was the cheapest one. The other ones were much worse and the same price.
And what is the price for this?
$2,500 a month.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's
for this price you can have a wonderful apartment in Arequipa or in Thailand.
Yeah, like I pay less. I paid less than this in New York actually, and like this is New York prices. Like this is the kind of price you would pay in Brooklyn, not like New York, not Manhattan, but yeah, like bird fishes on a feces on a window. That's normal, and for $2,500, it's not okay. Maybe for $1,200, I would be kinda happy. But yeah, everything's outdated, barely usable.
Small.
Yeah, we had to stay somewhere for a month. This is kind of okay.
And I think that you should speak about our experience of R&D later, right?
Yeah.
You will tell us.
Yeah, I'll explain everything.
So if you will visit this area in the morning or in the second part of the day, there will be much more people here, sitting, drinking coffee, speaking, discussing different. Oh, this is another place, a church in few meters. Very green, and very clean. What I can say more. What do you think about this place? It's so cool, flowers, trees, colors are so amazing. And guys, it's at the end of August. In my native city, it was snow already, but here it's around 30 degrees. Yeah, August was very hot, but still, for us it was normal. We just tried to be home in the daytime and the air condition. But after Thailand, it's nothing, I think. This is the area of our home. And I like the name of the street. Carrer del Transatlantico. It's a street of Sergei. He came from America. Look, another place. He came from America.